So the game we're going to be playing here is an indie game called For the King. So I want to play more indie games here on the channel so you guys can discover new, awesome indie content. Of course, this is a Curve Digital distributed game. We're big fans of Curve Digital here on the channel. And of course, there are other developers that are also involved in the creation of this game. You can see their logos on screen before we see the title, For the King. So we're going to have a go at this game, see if it's any good, see if it's fun, see what the gameplay is like, see what this game's about, man, because I have no idea. I haven't played this game yet. You potentially haven't played this game yet, and that's the reason why we're here, to have a look at the gameplay here, have a lot of fun. And yeah, man, we'll have a lot of fun with this. It's currently available on Xbox Game Pass. So if any of you have Xbox Game Pass available on your Xbox, if you're an Xbox One player and you have Xbox Game Pass purchased, you'll be able to download this game today. At the current time of me actually playing this game. Do not set out on this quest with the expectation that you will succeed at first try. Your betters have gone before you and fallen to the last. Yet, do set out and strive, learn what you can, and when you fail and your light is extinguished forever, despair not, for many more answer the call each day. For the King. Let's do this. Okay, cool. 1 already. I'm loving the art in this game. Considering this is an indie game. I'm just going to turn down that audio because that audio is not needed. But yeah, man, you can already see already at the start of the game, the art in this game is amazing. I like the textures. I like the cartoon style of the game. I need to put my headphones on. I have not got my headphones on. Spare me one sec. Got headphones on now. I can hear now as well. I like the soundtrack. There's a lot of layers to this game already. I want to get started, so let's get started. Let's have a look at this. Let's see what it's about. Right, so we've got For the King, which is a game mode, and it says battle against chaos in a story-driven adventure as you attempt to solve the king's murder and restore order to the land. Then it's got the difficulty, and it's broken. It breaks down the difficulty. This is what I love about indie games. They can go in detail with these things. There's stats here to the right. Apprentice for new or casual players. Oh, the music just kicked up. The music just kicked up. It's got epic. Law payout 60%, chaos frequency 8, life pool 6, economy inflation 80%, stat bonus 5 plus 5, max focus bonus plus 1, enemy health 90%, end turn health gain, yes. Star items plus 5 gold, God's beard, golden root, tinder pouch, and old boots. I have no idea what any of that means just yet, but there's a lot there. That's just describing the difficulty. And of course, there are different game modes. Considering the game's called For the King, I think I'm going to start with For the King because that sounds like the story mode. And yeah, let's go for it. You can actually choose look at that, master or apprentice, journeyman. I'm gonna go for what did we have it on to begin with? We had it on apprentice. Let's start with apprentice. Of course, it's a solo adventure. Nobody else is playing with me just yet. Let's have a go. Let's have a go at this game. What's going? I've clicked. Okay, yeah, okay. Wow. Okay, I did not expect that at all. There was a transition down onto the screen. Other players can join in as well from this screen here. Player 1. Right, this is gonna be me. This is me. This is me. This is. What shall I call myself? YouTuber. YouTuber. Now let's call it. Let's come up with another word, another name. Let's call it. Let's come up with what name should we call him? Doobie. No. Let's not go for doobie because that can be interpreted into a type of drug slang. We don't want that. So let's come up with something else. Not condoning drugs here on the channel, especially when we're you know, welcoming gaming for all. It's something that we're not doing here on this channel. Yeah, so maybe we should call him Brutus. Brutus the Great. Yes. Brutus the Great. And Brutus is a... What have we got? Okay, we've got Hunter, Scholar, a Minstrel, not sure one of those, a Blacksmith, a Hunter. I think we'll go for a Hunter, considering his name is Brutus. Yeah, we'll go for a Hunter. We can customize. Is he male? Yes. Clothes. Let's go for a Winter. His name's Brutus. Helmet. Yeah, helmet. Backpack. Yeah, his name's Brutus. What else you got? Pelt, dude. Give him a pelt. Main color. That did not change. Okay, yeah, it did. We'll go for a Link Green. Skin tone. Black Link. Oh, yo, we should call him Black Link. I want to change the name to Black Link. He's got to be called Black Link. Oh, that's got to be his name. Change his hair to blonde. Yeah, he's Black Link. He's full on Black Link. Yeah, he's Black Link. Like, he's full on Black Link. Yeah, that's Black Link, that is. Yeah, okay, I'm ready. Can we start? Do I need to do the rest of the players? We've got Black Link. We've got Link Wannabe. Link Wannabe. And then we've got Dude. Or Dudette. We've got Dudette because we need a female in this group. Yeah, we have. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's make her good looking. Give her some red hair. Then her clothes. Yeah, keep her nice and smooth. Maybe she'll have a pelt because she's still a badass. And then her main color. What color would she wear? She'd wear like... No. She'd wear a pale colour. She'd wear something like that. Maybe a bit lighter. Like this. I can't change her hairstyle, can I? Okay, what's helmet or not? Does she have... No, she doesn't have any... Ooh, yeah, she ready. Yeah, okay, we ready. I want to start this now. Okay, you press start, let's go. Good King Brona has been slain. The once peaceful kingdom of Farul is being corrupted by wild chaos energy and ravaged by monsters and bandits. The grieving Queen Rosamund has called for Farul's ordinary citizens to search the land for the king's murderer and the source of the chaos energy. The tale now begins in the Guardian Forest, where there have been rumours of suspicious activity and sinister strangers in the woods. 3 would-be heroes meet the Autumn to begin their quest. Okay, alright. Okay, yo, he's starting. Okay, let's go to Autumn. First, the wizard Vector vanishes. Then, my own husband was slain in his palace. You may be the last hope for Farul. This is very elven. I'm feeling very elven right now. Seek out the Hildebrand and the wood smoke. You will be told how best to aid our efforts. Your quest has begun. Strive against this chaos, lest our realm be consumed by it. Okay, alright, we got it. We got this. Okay, yeah, I'm ready. Let's... Where am I? Okay, yeah, this is us. Yep, yeah, that's it. Black Link, alright. Can I go? Am I going? Yeah, I want to go to this. Okay, what's go? We got services. We got market. Oh, yo, it looks like it's actually a board game. I get it. I think it's actually a board game. Quest board. Let's go and try and figure this out. So you got a humble village of fishers and traders. You will be able to find room and board here, but little else. Okay. So obviously you get to go to sleep. You need to rest up to get your energy back up, I'm presuming. And you've got all these other stuff. So let's go to quest board. Bounty, reduce chaos. Yeah, let's go for this bounty. Yeah. I'm ready. I'm ready. I accept. Okay, no, this is something else entirely. Okay, we gotta get over there. Oh, I just accepted a bounty. That is at this. How many steps can I move? Oh, let's go to this guy. I want to fight him. Fight! Friend or foes on highlighted hexes will join in combat. Ambush an enemy to isolate them in combat and gain the initiative, or sneak past them to avoid combat. Understood. Oh, look at it. He's beast, man. He just hasn't took a shave for a long time, and he just has no dentistry care at all. So that's why his teeth are coming out of the top of his mouth, and that's why that's why his hair's all over the place. Okay, sneak, ambush, or fight. Let's fight him. Oh, I get to choose. Do I get to choose? Fight. Okay, things got real. Okay, let's go. Is wannabe Link and Black Link? Yo, this music just got very Celtic, and I like it. Slightly upbeat. Each action slot tests one of your 7 main stats. The higher your stat, the better chance of success. I get this is like a card game. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna focus. Ooh, okay. What's that? Let's leave combat. I'm gonna shoot. Shoot him! Yeah, I'm not sure how. What happened? But yeah. Can I switch my focus to this guy now? Yeah, with Black Link now. Black Link is gonna do it. Look at the Naruto one icon there. Alright, yeah. So I do 6. Black Link does 6 damage with this. Not sure why. The arrows are still sticking out of this guy. Look at that. Can he attack once or twice? He can only attack once. So we're definitely gonna win this battle. What's that? Snipe shot. Yeah, give him a snipe shot. Yeah, he's gone. Yo. Alright. We got some items and we got some gold. Collect. Yeah, we got gold. Wannabe Link and Black Link, we did it. Where was my girl? Where's provide shelter, equip service, and extra work. Okay, I think his health is actually okay. You have to be very. Whoa! Look at that wolf. That wolf looks like he's gonna cause trouble. Timberwolf, his name is. Engage in combat. I think we'll take a. Is he frozen? We're gonna be diving deep in this game, but for now we're gonna end it there. That's our first look at this game. Again, this is why I love indie games, because they explore different types of gameplay, the art, the music. I'm really enjoying. I can really sink into this game. If you want to see more of this game, definitely comment down below, guys. And don't forget that you can hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to keep up to date with what's happening here on the channel. My name's Anthony Allen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. We have been playing for the King.